Good morning, students. Today we will continue with the chapter 6, that is substances in daily use. In the previous video, we have learned about examples of man-made substances and production of substances. Today, children, further we are going to learn about paper and how is paper made, that is the process of manufacturing paper. Let's begin, children. Paper is the material formed from the cellulose fiber of grass, wood, rugs or waste paper. These cellulose fibers get intertwined during the process of formation of paper, and this network is called paper. So whatever cellulose fibers are there, they are intertwined. Intertwined, it means, children, they are attaching and they are forming a network just like net, and due to that it is called as a paper. Now next topic is, children, how is paper made or the process of manufacturing paper. Coniferous trees like pine are used to make paper. The bark of the logs of these trees is first removed and the wood and broken into small pieces. The mixture of these pieces and some chemicals is kept soaking for a long time. It helps to form pulp. When the chemical process is completed, the fiber substances from wood pulp are separated and some dyes are added. The pulp is then passed through rollers, dried to form paper, and finally wound on reels. Paper and wood are closely related because from wood only we are forming paper. To save trees, it is necessary to use paper sparingly. Sparingly, it means, children, we have to use this paper very carefully. Now, next topic is, children, do you know? In India, the first factory to manufacture newsprint, that is paper to be used for newspaper, was established at Nepanagar in Madhya Pradesh in 1955. Paper is also manufactured at Songarh in Gujarat. In Maharashtra, there is a paper factory at Ballapur near Chandrapur. Now, next topic is, always remember, do not tear up blank pages of a notebook. Do not throw away old notebooks with blank pages. It means, children, old notebooks you can utilize for your rough work and for your homework also. Second one, the blank side of advertising pamphlets, inner side of postal envelopes, the blank side of calendar pages and other such writable surfaces can be used to make notes, lists to cover books, etc. Do not throw away or burn up such paper until it has been full utilized like this. It means, children, what if calendar is there to your house, postal envelopes are there? Their one side is blank. So this blank side of calendar pages you can utilize for making any list and for covering your books also. Next is third one. Whenever possible, try to use a pencil and slate. It means, children, with the help of pencil and slate, we can utilize paper also. The fourth one, Cooperate with people who collect paper from garbage or buy scrap papers. These people help in the proper reuse of resources. It means children, these paper you can use also for the remaining resources. So we have to help the people who are taking this paper from garbage. Now next topic is find out. The first question is, where was the process of making paper invented? Answer: the process of making paper was invented in China. In India, writing was done on Burchpate much before paper was discovered. In China, paper was manufactured in 100 BC. The second question: what kind of paper is used for our textbook? What size is it? Yeah, answer. Our textbooks are made up of paper called cream wave. Its size is A4 and thickness 70 GSM. GSM, it means children, gram per square meter. Third question: how is paper for currency notes manufactured? Yeah, answer. In our nation, the currency notes are made from cotton pulp, stem of balsam, and special kind of dyes. Some currency notes are made up of starchy paper and fibers of clothing. The layer of gelatin is applied on the currency notes. Therefore, they remain crisp and straight. Now children, remaining chapter we will continue in the next video. Thank you. Stay safe.